why would I need the chiropractor? I can adjust myself.
So a lot of people out there actually do self-adjusting. And what they may not be aware of is that doing adjustments on yourself is not very good for you, okay? Because what you're doing is you are adjusting segments that to you feel like they need to be adjusted. In reality, those are segments that your body is locking down because there's excessive range of motion. A chiropractor's job is to find those segments that don't move, open those up so that you can actually make the entire spine and the entire body function as best as it can.